Sup, people? Hey Tocas, it's Chloe. Welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, you should check out all my socials linked below. Anyways, so basically, if you didn't know, Paige and Evan moved in together and they redesigned the house because they wanted it to be more like exclusive to both of them. So today I'll be showing you their house. Well, they'll be showing you their house. So here is their like little area by the pool. It just has some chairs and a table. And then we have this area which has a table, a really pretty chair, that like fence thing. Sup, people? And then there's my boyfriend Evan, and then we have the couch and the chair and the cute living room. And then this kitchen is pretty big considering that the living room is so small, but we love the kitchen and it's very modern and fall-like. Then for the bathroom, my mom actually gave me some pointers for this room. It is very modern, very aesthetic, very fall-like, and yeah. And then we have our room, which definitely was a mutual decision. We love it. It's really cute. Also, my mom has Lady right now because obviously we just finished decorating and it's just gonna work better. Yep, but that's our house. Yeah, bye guys. Okay, I know today's video is short, but I wanted to show you the house because I always get comments asking for house tours. Shout out goes to the person on the screen. That pig is adorable. Oh my god. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I have a lot of fun uploads coming soon. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, Tocas. I love you.